Hello everyone, welcome to channel Qtomation. We will see about end-to-end testing about today. So what is end-to-end testing? So whenever someone asks a QA to do end-to-end testing on the software, what exactly it means? End-to-end testing is a technique to test out the completeness of the software product from beginning to end from the user's perspective. That means in end-to-end testing, we have to perform end-to-end flow which is present on the application. So we have to ensure that all the flows works correctly from starting to end. It ensures that all the integrated components of the application including user interface, API, database, external systems function together as intended, because in end-to-end flows we complete the flow from the user's perspective from starting point to ending point that eventually covers all the integrated components in that soft application. So end-to-end testing simulates the real user scenarios to verify the application's overall behavior and interactions across all layers. Let's take a simple example of end-to-end testing. Let's say we have one e-commerce application in which there is a some minor change has happened in order placement flow, and we have to perform end-to-end testing on that order placement flow. So how to perform end-to-end testing, how to check the end-to-end flow of order placement on that e-commerce website? So we will start with starting point. What is the starting point? Login. So on that e-commerce website, login is the starting point. So we will log in. Then user will search the product. So we have to search a product. Then after getting the results of searching the product, we will select that product and we will add that product in our cart. After adding that product, we will add the delivery address, or we can select the delivery address, and then payment of that product, payment success confirmation we will see, and that will give you order placing confirmation as well, and then user can log out. So this is basically end-to-end flow of order placement. So during end-to-end flow testing, we have to complete the flow from starting point to ending point, just like the real user will perform on the application. That is called as an end-to-end testing. So in end-to-end testing, we have to complete the entire flow end-to-end from starting point to ending point. One more example, let's say we have a banking application. And what is the scenario here? Let's say user logs into their account. User checks the account balance and he transfer the money to another account and then logs out. This is the scenario which we have to test end to end. So what are the test case steps for this scenario checking? So we can again start with login. After login, we have to provide basically after on the login page, we have to provide valid credentials. Then only user can log in. And then we will navigate to account balance page. We can verify the account balance. Then we have to initiate a transfer to another account, and we have to confirm the transfer, and then we can log out of the account. So this will cover the end-to-end flow. It is basically end-to-end flow testing for this scenario. One more example will be social media application. On social media application, let's say user sign up for the new account. What is the scenario here is user sign ups for a new account. He updates the profile and he posts a status update and then logs out. So what are the steps for end-to-end flow? Visiting the sign up page, filling all the required details and submitting the form, then log in with that account, navigate to the profile page, update the profile information, posting status update and log out. So this test will cover end-to-end flow about that specific scenario. So this is called as an end-to-end flow testing. And main benefit of end-to-end flow testing is it will cover almost all the modules. So all the things are verified. For example, in e-commerce application end-to-end flow, login module is verified, searching product is verified, add product in the cart module is verified, adding address module is verified. So every module or every feature is touched. Basically every feature is in some manner is getting tested in end-to-end flow. Payment of card, success of payment, placement confirmation, and logout. So all these functions are getting tested in one end-to-end flow. That's why end-to-end flow testing is important. It basically verifies that our application is working correctly from the user's perspective end to end. So user will perform end-to-end flows when they are using an application. So as a tester also, we should verify end-to-end flows during end-to-end flow testing. So we have to execute the steps. So we have to follow each step in the test case carefully, because it is as same as simulating the real user actions. We should always verify the outcomes. After performing each step, we should carefully verify that the application is behaving as expected. We should check for correct navigation as well, data entry, and any messages or notification, those are included in that end-to-end flow. We should always record the results. So we should document the outcome of each step. We should note any discrepancies or issues and report to the developer. And we should retest those issues once they are fixed. And then again we have to repeat that end-to-end flow just to verify that end-to-end flow is working correctly and no new issues are introduced in that flow. So that basically covers the end-to-end flow type of testing. So the main objective is, by conducting through end-to-end testing, you can ensure that your application is working as intended from start to finish, providing a seamless and reliable experience for end users. So that is the main benefit of performing end-to-end flow testing. Thank you for watching this video. In coming session, we will see some more topics about software testing.